After searching for the perfect truck camper this year, we decided on the Tune M1. Once it was installed, we wasted no time taking it on a Colorado road trip.
That was a little adventure.
God is definitely coming in here.
We made it.
I need wine. It's insane.
Look at that view. This is camping.
This is day one of our adventure. Stare. So where are we going?
Let's go to Tune Pass. That's an easy one, and it's got a bunch of camping spots. If we like it here, we'll stay here overnight. Otherwise, we'll go down to Leadville.
Okay. Last minute touches.
Eisenhower Tunnel, 1973.
Always on a high, you were always on my mind, dear Wichita. The days we were told would never grow old here in Wichita. We were down by the river all through the night, watching the stars and the city lights.
We are finally here and it's absolutely gorgeous. We're maybe 10 minutes into the pass. Gonna stay here for the night and then we will continue tomorrow. Look at my legs in the shadow. Oh my goodness. We picked up the camper in Denver this morning. So we're setting up. We are right there. And the girls are there exploring. And so this is going to be our first night in the camper. And it's kind of chilly. We came from 90 degrees. It was hot in Denver. It's like maybe 55 degrees here at this point. The sun is setting and it's so beautiful. Is it beautiful, Ella? Do you like it here? It's gorgeous. It's just kind of hard to breathe because I don't even know the elevation, but we have to get adjusted for that. Here's the camper. And hopefully we can all fit inside.
So much work.
We don't know yet. We'll see. There's 4 of us. The camper has roughly a king-size mattress.
Easily we got 1, 2, 3 people sleeping here.
We also made a temporary bed on the bottom level, just in case. We're still not ready. Apparently we have too much stuff. Too many things to do. It's a beautiful sunset. Such a beautiful place.
Couldn't be a better place to cook.
Day 2 on Shrine Pass. We are going to stay here for 2 nights. We have a lot of setting up. So it makes no sense to unpack everything and then just pack everything back up the next day, especially since we're still trying to figure out how the camper works. We're like traveling gypsies. We have to organize the camper a little bit better. If we had to drive away now, it would be interesting.
Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita. You wanted me to know, never ever let you go, dear Wichita. Surrounded by colors, it's such a sight.
We've been attacked by the pollen storm. Oh yeah, I see it on the camera. Athena doesn't mind though.
It's getting cold.
A little bit. What you got there? What you got there? take a little walk. I'm already out of breath. We walked for 30 seconds. Uh-oh.
Catch this!
Ah, missed. We're used to barely 500 feet elevation, so this is very challenging. Everything is covered with pollen. We found this. It looks like a road, like there. It goes all around, and we're wondering. There it is. We're wondering what it is. There must have been something underneath the ground here, and it was blown up. That's the only explanation that we have. If anybody knows what it is, please let us know. What is it?
Bullet shell casings.
Let me see. Wow. It definitely has been some sort of a military activity around here. But there was a sign at the beginning of Shrine Pass, so that makes sense. Are your paws not cold? I have to clean the lens. There's pollen everywhere. Pollen and drops. It's the best I can do. And there we are. That is our campsite.
Come look at this.
Beautiful flowers everywhere. So cozy in here. It's raining outside. Let's see from this.
It's messy here too.
It's very messy here. You have a nice view. There you go. Hi, dude.
Hello. Why?
I was just recording how we're laying down here.
Oh, so it's gonna be. Wait, could it be horse?
I don't know.
Horse. It could be horse.
Gotta go by the letters.
21. House cat.
Good girl. Good girl. She found me. Excuse you.
Think we got fire?
Yeah. Awesome. Want some turkey?
You're cool.
You're welcome. So pretty. Break.
Good girl. Yes.
Good girl. Let's hope it's going to be warmer tonight. I mean, it's not going to be warmer, but let's hope we are going to be warmer. We were so cold yesterday.
What's flashing the lights? You big bags.
Yes, we're camping up there.
Take me to the ruins.
I gotta
You almost gave me 5 heart attacks along this